In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table header stick while scrolling in Confluence. Let's get started by opening the Confluence page that contains the table you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the right page and that you have permission to edit it. If the table is long, scroll through it briefly to confirm that a fixed header would be helpful, then return to the top of the page so you're ready to make changes. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. This opens the toolbar and table controls you'll need. Once you're in editing mode, click anywhere inside the table, then select the top row. You can do this by clicking just to the left of the first cell in that row, or by dragging across the row to highlight it. With the top row selected, mark it as a header row if it isn't already. In most Confluence setups, this option ensures the row is treated as the table's heading, typically giving it distinct styling. More importantly, the table needs a defined header row for the sticky behavior to work correctly. Now open the table settings or formatting options. Depending on your Confluence version or theme, these controls might appear in a small floating toolbar above the table, in the main toolbar at the top, or within a table properties panel. Look for options related to header settings. If your instance supports it, you'll see a control labeled fixed header, sticky header, or something similar. Enable that option to keep the header row visible while you scroll down the page. This is especially useful for long tables, as it helps readers keep track of column meanings without repeatedly scrolling back up. When you're done, publish the page to apply your changes. After publishing, test the table by slowly scrolling down the page. The header row should remain pinned at the top of the table's area as you move through the content. If it doesn't appear to stick, double check that the top row is correctly set as a header and that the sticky or fixed header option is turned on. Also note that some Confluence configurations only display sticky headers when the table is tall enough to require scrolling within the page. For the most accurate check, view the page at 100% zoom and on a typical screen size. That's it. By defining the header row, enabling the fixed header behavior, and publishing to confirm, you've made your table much easier to read and navigate.